Hello, my friend. How are you? I am going to show you how to open and repairing this Bosch grinder. Open first back this cover and check the lid first. You put the multimeter first, buzzer range and beep range, then test the lid first. This lid is good, but grinder is not work. See, I will plug it. I will plug the this, then I will check. Not working. Then remove plug. First, this is a plug. Remove first. Then we will find the problem first. Check the connection here, and this is the two coil connection, this one and this one is coil connection. Here is the also coil connection. You would like to check from the switch, and this brush connection, carbon brush. This connection is okay, this coil connection, this also, but this is not working. Maybe I think this is the bottom problem. Okay. So I will be check from main connection here, from this side bottom, and one side is okay, connection coming, this side also connection. Okay, let's it. I will open this. You remove first this carbon lock, take out the carbon. Okay, this carbon lock and take out the carbon. Okay, I will open this also. Also side, this side, it's open like this. This is a bearing. This bearing also problem. Watch and subscribe my video. I will give you the good information. I will give you good information. All the machines. Okay, I will repair the component this once, but this component you will see this is the component is not balanced. It's like this. I will fitting. After that, here is the too much sparking. That's why you clean proper first this one. Okay. Clean proper this ones. Okay, this is knife. You clean then brush. This bearing I maybe is you can use this bearing and put the grease also here. You remove cap and put grease also and fix it.